Hi, I'm Bill Arcanati, Confluence Product Manager, and you're watching Seibert Media.
Hi, I'm in the Sydney office at Atlassian. I'm with.
Sherry Quinn from Atlassian University.
And what do you do?
We are building a new program at Atlassian for our customers, experts, and employees on product training.
I ask you for this video because Seibert Media can somehow be part of this training program. Can you tell us a little about the program itself and what experts like Seibert Media can be, what their role may be?
Absolutely, yeah. So just a bigger picture, Atlassian is building our own courses so that we can eventually build a course roadmap that leads to certification for our customers, our employees, and our experts. And part of that is to build interactive classes that are very meaningful and task-based so that students who attend our classes can really get a lot out of the course. Not just how am I doing something, but why am I doing it? What is it? When do I do this and when do I not do it? So very meaningful classes where we add more context around the content that's being delivered. As part of that, we are having our expert partners who are very knowledgeable about the products and who touch our customers in a way that Atlassian doesn't even today, help us redeliver those courses. So we're very excited to have the expertise and meet the courseware and have the best experience for the customers. In terms of Seibert, we've selected Seibert among a few other of our expert customers to help us redeliver these initial courses. We're very excited about the expertise that you bring to us.
So am I, yeah?
Yeah. So the initial rollout will be in March for one of the courses that we think will help our enterprise customers in particular be very successful with their larger scale implementations. And again, one of the reasons that you were selected for this program, and Seibert has a great experience with our enterprise customers to deliver those courses to our customers.
If I'm a customer and I now get, okay, Atlassian has this course program and Seibert Media can redeliver that, how am I get hold of this service or this product?
Good question. So we will be advertising and also just making available all of our new courses over the www.atlassian.com. So at first, Atlassian will be the storefront for these courses. We're just building and expanding the offerings over the next 6 to 9 months. We want to make sure that they're right on track and work closely with our experts like you to help deliver those in a more controlled environment. Over time, however, we want to expand these offerings so that our experts like Seibert can go out and redeliver these courses to your own customers, to our customers mutually, to reach a larger audience.
But obviously right now I can't buy this, right? But from March on, you'll start offering that?
Oh, good point. So our website should be going live today.
Okay.
On Atlassian.com, and we will offer a variety of
What a good perfect timing, yeah.
Yes, so we'll offer a variety of online classes, and we will eventually, within the next couple of months, deliver these in local languages. So, for example, you'll be helping us in the German market to deliver those courses, and we know that makes a big difference when you're speaking in language in country. So that's yet another reason that we've chosen you to join us there.
Yeah.
The other thing that we'll be delivering is a workshop for our enterprise customers, which is an in-person, again, local course delivered in the local language, which you can help us in German. We're super excited about that.
Okay, how many experts are selected to be redelivering partners for Atlassian training?
Well, we have several. We have over a couple hundred experts, and we in this initial phase where we needed to be very controlled and high quality and high touch with you as well as our customers. We've selected about a dozen worldwide experts to go out and redeliver these courses with us.
Okay, so thank you so much for having us. So if you're talking about the vision of this program, other eyes of the customer, what does the customer ultimately get from this program?
Thanks for asking. That's a great question. Our customers today have been receiving training that may not be as consistent as Atlassian wants to see it in the future. Atlassian wants to build certification programs for our customers and our experts so that we know that what our Jira administrators, for example, are queued up to know and do their jobs, it's consistent worldwide. We know the best practices. We know through our experts what those are and what makes a successful Jira administrator, for example. So these courses will be queued up and be teaching the types of tasks and the learning and the concepts that are needed to be successful in the world. So as we move through to certification, we'll be building the classes with the content that's important in order for someone to succeed. Did I answer your question?
Absolutely. I think so. So let me try to rephrase that out of customer's eyes and with not that much experience. So, and then you can correct me. So what I understand is that you're trying to offer a consistent way for customers to make sure that every employee that they have has the possibility to kind of onboard to Atlassian products in a way that will be beneficial for them, that won't be just like manual or clicking, but something that they think is worthwhile, and at the same time have a high quality that makes available all these features and possibilities that the software has for them. So one could say you're trying to scale training.
It's a perfect way to say it, and something that you just mentioned that's important. In addition to offering certification for sort of the Jira administrator line, we know that there are millions, literally millions of end users at different companies who need to learn how to use the system and why do you use it, and the why is very important. How do I adopt the solution within? And where our experts come into play so well is they augment the content that we have in self-paced learning, sort of the how-to content, and put it into the context of the company. It's about adoption, it's about why do I need to use this, not just how. So in terms of you being closer to the customer and being on site, we absolutely can team together to make them more successful.
But at the same time, those trainings are kind of pre-filled with content. It's not like an individual training for me where I can come up with any question that I have and the trainer will then steer the course to be around my questions, but it's rather pre-filled with the content that you think is valuable for customers, right?
That's correct.
Yeah.
Yes. However, we'll be over the course of time, we'll be listening to our experts and understanding what the other common use cases are, and we'll listen to the concepts.
Do you see a place where experts still offer courses on their own?
Of course. In fact, the idea is that we'll build a core content and we will maintain that content over time, where our experts today, it's very hard. We've got several hundred experts delivering courseware and developing and trying to keep up with it over time. That shouldn't be what you do. You should be out there and delivering high value training on top of the base content. So we can provide the foundation, and then our experts will then deliver the more customized and higher value content, which you then have the services on top of. So everything marries together well.
Okay, if I am a customer and I'm very thrilled about this interview and the new training concept, you could obviously come to Seibert Media and ask me, and I'll be happy to share everything I know with you that I can share. Can I come to you also? How can I reach you? Is that something you want to see or rather not? Or
yeah, we either way, you can think of Atlassian as the content engine that's going to be providing the knowledge or the resources for the training, and our experts are truly going to be our delivery arm. We believe that our experts have the knowledge, the customer relationships, the customer knowledge of what's being done on site, so you'll be able to augment what we've delivered as a base, and that will continue. I know that our experts are also delivering in areas that we are not going to be delivering. So, for example, if there's an esoteric product that we don't feel is part of the core of Atlassian in terms of the bulk offering for scale, we want our experts to play in that market too.
Sherry, thanks for giving us all this info. Yeah, thanks.
Absolutely, my pleasure.
Okay,
Thanks so much, Mark.
Thanks.